Hi, this is Shreya from ShreyaBanerjee.com, here to answer all your IM related questions. I am sure you have heard of the saying that the bigger the list, the more the money you'll make. Does that apply to blog sizes as well? Well, it depends on several things. Find out what they are right after this. Stay tuned. How much money you make from your blog depends on several things. I'm going to be telling you about them here today. The first thing you want to focus on is your content. Don't put up poor content to make your blog look bigger. If you have little content, but it's good content, you will start to build followers. You don't have to update your blog daily. Even if you update it weekly, just make sure that you give your readers what they want and that make sure that it's a quality information. Another trick to keep in mind is when you're releasing content once a week, do it on the same day. That way, your readers start expecting the content that day of the week and they will become regulars to your blog. You are building a business, and just like any other business, you have to make relationships with your customers. The second thing you want to keep in mind is the type of affiliate offers you pick. There are many low-end affiliate offers and high-end affiliate offers. I'm not talking about the quality here. That's a given. You always have to make sure that you're promoting quality products. I am talking about the commission. There are two different types of business models here. If your goal is to make $3,000 a month, you can pick a high-ticket item like a $3,000 product at 50% commission. Now you will just have to convince 2 people to buy it. Or you can promote a low-ticket item like a $10 product for 50% commission. That will take a lot more sales to get you there. And last but not least, you have to focus on the quality of the traffic, not just quantity. You can buy traffic, but just make sure that you're buying from a trusted source and not a place like Fiverr. Make sure that you get targeted traffic. I say targeted traffic because these are the customers that are already looking for the product you are promoting. So when they come to your offer, they will jump on it, versus a person who is looking for shoe polish and then you're trying to sell them chocolates. They are not going to convert that well. Now, traffic doesn't mean anything unless it's targeted traffic. I know some people will say that even if it's not targeted traffic, that you can make some money off of AdSense. In my opinion, it's not worth it. You will get a few cents here and there, and AdSense is good to have on your blog, but your main focus should be the products you're trying to promote. One more thing I want to mention. Don't just promote your products on your blog. Start a mailing list if you haven't already. These will be the people who already showed interest in buying from you. So when you email them about a product you're promoting, they will be more likely to buy from you. So don't miss out on building a list. A great resource for you to pick up is a membership at MUA, My Fair Advantage. There you'll be able to pick up valuable training, and not to mention the weekly live webinars that are worth its weight in gold. Make sure you check out the link right below this video for a free webinar. The link is in the description section below. I will see you next time.